Welcome to this week's market review by Team Alphaniti. Volatility has been the name of the game this week, with the benchmark indices gapping up and down, gyrating by 100 to 150 points on an almost daily basis. Interesting to note that we have again retested September highs of 17,947 today, from where markets have again faced some amount of small rejection. India continues to be one of the best performing markets, showcasing a lot of underlying strength, not only in the headline indices, but also across broader markets, which have in fact shown signs of activity picking up in this first trading week of October. The markets continue to remain overextended and overbought, and we would advise investors to exercise caution at current levels. We continue to maintain that markets are likely to find it difficult to sustain at higher levels, and we should be prepared to see some good amount of profit booking in the weeks to come from our crystal ball levels of 18,100 to 18,400 levels on the Nifty. The RBI policy offered no surprises today, and for all practical purposes, the policy stance continues to remain accommodative, with the central bank showing great comfort on inflationary pressures building up in the economy, which they continue to believe is transitory in nature. As was indicated in the previous week's update, the auto space has shown a lot of action in this week, with some of the largest gainers being frontline auto stocks such as M&M, Maruti, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, and Bosch. Even the PSU space continues to show tremendous strength, with great moves in stocks such as NTPC, Coal India, and ONGC. We believe that both these sectors are likely to outperform over the medium term. Several pharma stocks are showing signs of accumulation by smart money. Thus, we believe that focus may now shift to the pharma sector again in the coming weeks, and as long as recent lows are held in key stocks, better days could be in the offing in the medium term. While the CNX IT index has shown a strong bounce, there is a good possibility that once the earnings season kicks off, the tone will get set for this sector and lower levels are likely to be witnessed in the coming weeks. We recommend that investors exercise caution here, especially given that most IT stocks are already baking in significant level of optimism and are pretty richly valued. We hope to bring you more interesting market level statistics in the weeks ahead.